to Juneau Daily Chronicle. Stop. Steele wins first race of season. Stop. 3-time winner keeps golden collar. Stop. Gnome. Stop. That Steele is some dog, huh, Morris?
Congratulations there, boss there. It was a pleasure running behind yous. Of course, the view got monotonous.
You were the most amazing, the most exalted, the most preeminent, the most top drawer.
You won!
I don't know. You think maybe Steele's losing his edge?
Yeah, looks like just about any dog could outrun him.
Balto! What a crazy thing to do! Just to show off to a pretty girl. I'm sure Jenna would love to have you on her team.
Hey!
Rosy, stay away from him.
Dad!
He might bite you, honey. He's part wolf.
Crazy. What an idiot.
Well, now you've hurt his feelings.
Come on now.
Congratulations and felicitations, Steele.
Ladies. Hi there, Jenna. Enjoy the race.
Yeah, almost as much as you did.
Thanks. Jenna, let's go celebrate. I know where all the bones are buried.
I don't know, Steele. Suddenly I've lost my appetite.
Oh. Well, maybe your taste runs more toward wolf.
Figure that all out on your own, did you?
Jenna, come on, girl. We're going back home.
Sorry, Steele. My girl is calling me.
On the other hand, my girl is away at boarding school. Oh.